Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toilet paper slime. This is one of my favorite no glue slime recipes ever. I actually created this recipe, so I feel like it's super special to me and one of my favorites. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. So, no glue toilet paper slime is a slime recipe I made a few years ago, back in 2018. And ever since I created this recipe, you guys have seemed to love it. And I've made many new twists and turns on the recipe on how to make it easier or add different ingredients into it. So today's recipe for no glue toilet paper slime is a little bit different than my other ones. So the ingredients you guys will need to make this no glue toilet paper slime recipe is any type of hand soap. You will need toilet paper, a bowl or plate to make your slime in. Last but not least is a mixing tool. So let's get into the slime recipe. The first thing I'm going to do is get out my hand soap. You can use any type of hand soap you want, Dial, you can use a store-bought brand or even Dollar Tree hand soap. And I'm just going to get adding it into my bowl or plate. And I am reusing a container I just used to make another slime recipe, so ignore the residue on that. Alright, that looks like enough soap in there, and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a mix. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my toilet paper and I'm going to get shredding it up. If you've ever watched another paper slime recipe from me, you know this is a crucial step, is to shred up the paper and add it into your bowl or plate just like this. It's going to make a really cool texture that's going to turn into like a buttery, fluffy slime. So I'm going to get doing that now. I also want to add, it's very crucial for you to mix it up a lot because as you can see, there's so many clumps in here. You basically want to let those break down into the soap so it makes a really cool, buttery texture. So I'm going to get doing that for a little bit. So I mixed it enough and now it's turned into this weird pasty texture, which is fine. I'm going to mix it more as I leave it in the refrigerator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator now for about 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take a look at it, mix it up. If it needs more mixing, add more soap if it needs more soap. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this is all done. Remember, 3 hours in the refrigerator. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, 3 hours later, I just looked at it out of the fridge, so my hands are a little bit sticky, but here is the slime. Oops. Let's see how this turned out, and look at this! It made slime. This is awesome. So sticky though. Okay, this is very sticky. But look, the paper definitely made a really cool, I guess this is kind of like a putty, dough texture more so for this recipe. Wow. It's definitely super sticky, but this made no glue slime more so on the sticky texture for today. It's definitely because I added more soap while it was in the refrigerator, but that's okay. All I have to do is knead it. I feel like as a slime, I like to call myself an expert for making no glue slimes. I've been making them for so long. I kind of know how, it goes with making these recipes. It can be super sticky like this today, or sometimes they make really awesome dough, clear slime textures. But today, this is definitely more so on the sticky side. But I am so happy with how this no glue slime recipe turned out. I've definitely missed making these no glue slime recipes for you guys. I took a little bit of a break from YouTube and then I took 2 weeks off after that just because, if you guys didn't know, I posted a video about how my cousin and stuff passed away, and it just really affected my ability to post on YouTube. So I am so sorry about that. I am getting back into things of posting again and trying to make more content for you guys. So please comment down below what other videos you want to see from me, and if my comments are turned off, go post it over on my community tab. I love posting no glue slime recipes, but I also love posting other videos like slime, fidget toys, crafts. Please let me know what you guys want to see. But again, this no glue slime recipe was a huge win-win for me. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. It's super awesome, but it's definitely on the sticky side. So fair warning, if you make the slime recipe, it might be very sticky because of the dough texture. But I think it turned out awesome. But yeah, if you guys like this recipe today, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some better ideas. Also, remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. But yeah, remember to go check them all out. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!